Alright guys, it's me, Zayden's Adventures, and we're going into the Dr. Car Wash in Landover, Maryland. And this is a Ballinger Minter tunnel, so we're gonna see how this is, guys. Whoa, guys, look at this. So we got the super wash. We got our another Ballinger. Oh, guys, it's spraying. Now we got our brushes. Some more brushes. It's dark in here, guys. Some more brushes. Finally, our Ballinger Minter. Wow, guys, look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Got our hot wax and our rinse. Look at that. Got some. Looks like Hanna dryers here. Yeah, Hanna dryers, guys. Look at that. Look at this. And yep, that was Dr. Car Wash in Landover, Maryland. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.